Why hello all you fellow Simonites out there. It's Simon Simaan, owner and broker of the Simon Simaan Group right here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. We're coming to you from Dr. Phillips, 8142 Chianti Drive. Every time I say Chianti, I want to have a nice bottle of Italian Chianti. And that's one thing I'll include with this sale. Guys, this home has it all. It's over 174 feet of shoreline on Lake Tucker. You get the Disney fireworks, beautiful romantic sunsets. Oh, they're close to my heart. Hey guys, it even has a basketball court in the back and a huge field. Guys, it's almost an acre, a little over an acre of land, and you can't get that. The best investment on earth is earth, as they say. It's just a shy under 3,200 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all on one level. I love one level homes. They get to use all the space that it has to offer. This home has it all. So let's take a stroll inside and let me show you what Chianti has to offer you guys. Come on, guys. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that awesome video of what 8142 Chianti Drive has to offer. This home is absolutely amazing. Did you see that pool? It's huge. It's probably one of the largest pools I have seen in this area. Talk about social distancing, you can easily have 100 people in that pool and stay 6 feet apart, just as the CDC recommends. How cool is that, guys? This home has it all. And I get this question a lot, Simon, how hot is the market in Orlando? Well, let me tell you. Whoop. Bye-bye pool sign. Hello sold sign. By the time we filmed this video, the home sold already. It only took one day, and my clients are absolutely ecstatic to buy this home. It was actually an investment property for them, and they kind of told me what they wanted exactly and what kind of rate of return they wanted. It made sense. They closed on it, and I got it rented in one day, actually 5 rental applications. So we love helping our clients achieve their dreams. If they want to buy a home, live in it, rent it, we're a one-stop shop from A all the way to Z. Hey guys, if you like this video, check out our other videos because it's just as cool as Chianti's video. Doesn't have the wine Chianti, but it is cool videos. I promise you, you're gonna love these videos. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out the other videos and hit that notification button on top. And I love you for that. So every home has a story. Let us tell yours. Until then, let's go.